Unfocused mind, non-attentive mind remains unhappy. It's a fundamental principle to be at happiness. To enjoy happiness, one cannot afford to have restless mind. It demands some level of harmony within. What do we lose when we are not attentive? Only then we'll be able to appreciate what attention means. There are many scientific studies done on attention and focus. How to integrate this into a science and let science speak for itself instead of parents telling, your teachers telling, please be attentive. But when science speaks, we listen. So when science talks about attention and focus, when we study some of these research papers, especially by Gilberts and Killingsworth, they talk about 47% of the time during our wakeful hours, we spend most of our attention in ruminating, daydreaming, brooding over the past, worrying about the future, rather than actually focusing on the task at hand. This is as per the scientific study. And how did they arrive at this conclusion? It's very interesting that they have collected 250,000 data information from almost 86,000 people from over, I would say, at least 50, 60 countries. And all this data from almost close to 100 types of professionals. What did he find? Or what did this team find? They would, at random, call all these participants and find out what are they thinking, what are they feeling, what are they doing, and their state of mind. Are they happy? And they concluded one fundamental thing: unfocused mind, non-attentive mind remains unhappy. It's a fundamental principle to be at happiness. To enjoy happiness, one cannot afford to have restless mind. It demands some level of harmony within. And this harmony is impossible without contemplative mind. This contemplative mind is possible when you are able to think right from wrong, beneficial versus not so beneficial. You are thinking in many ways. And then one asks, how to be contemplative? This contemplative mind is possible only when you are able to think with focus in many directions. And this focused mind is possible only when you are able to regulate your mind. And this regulation of mind is possible only when we meditate. Just as we develop muscles, going to gym and doing exercises regularly, so does this mind get regulated through a proper brain gym I call meditation. And it is also found that people who are meditating, their attention remains more focused on what is essential. Non-essential things gets filtered out during this process of meditation.